Happy Monday, everybody. Today is lesson 5. Today what we're going to do is we're going to use multiplication to connect volume as packing with volume as filling. So volume as packing would be like we did last week where we took the centimeter cubes and packed it into a rectangular prism. And then volume as filling would be like what you see here on the screen when it comes to milliliters and filling water. So what I really want you to understand is that 1 centimeter cubed is the same as 1 milliliter, okay? So 1 cubic centimeter, that's those ones blocks that we've been talking about, is the same as 1 milliliter. So this is a beaker here, and it is filled. I'm going to change the color. It is filled to 200 milliliters. Okay, that is the same as an object here that is 10 by 20 by 1. Okay, so this water in this beaker, if we were to dump it into this tank here that is 10 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 1 centimeter, 10 times 20 is 200 times 1 is 200, the water would go, all the way to the top. Okay, it would fill it up all the way to the top. So when we do our next problems 2 and 3, I want you to keep this in your mind that 1 centimeter cube and 1 milliliter are the same. So let's go to problem 2. Here's problem 2. I have a tank that is 40 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 20 centimeters. How many milliliters of water are in this tank when it is full? So if we were to fill this tank up, how many milliliters of water are in the tank when it is full? So what we're going to do is learn what we just talked about. Okay? We've learned about volume as filling to solve this problem. We need to find the volume of the water in the tank. So what do we know about the tank that can help us? Yeah, we know the size of the tank, right? And if we don't know it right now, we can find it out because volume is length times width times height. So this is 40 times 30 times 20. 40 times 30, 4 times 3 is 12. 12. Add your 2 zeros, so we have 1200 times 20. 12 times 2 is 24. And add your 3 zeros, 24,000 milliliters. Well, not milliliters yet. 24,000 centimeters cubed is the volume. So, if we have 24,000 centimeters cubed, remember 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cubed. So that means that 24,000 centimeters cubed is the volume of this tank, and 24,000 milliliters is the volume of the tank when it comes to filling the tank with water. So if we wanted to know how many liters, 24,000 milliliters is how many liters? How many liters can fill this tank up? Well, 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So 24 divided by 1,000 is 24,000 divided by 1,000 is 24. So 24 liters to fill this tank all the way up to the top. 24 liters or 24,000 milliliters. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take what we just did and you're going to apply it to number 3. A small fish tank is filled to the top with water. If the tank measures 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters, what is the volume of water in the tank? Express your answer in milliliters. So this is how many milliliters? Let's find the volume of the tank first. The volume of the tank is length times width times height. So we have 15 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is, 1 times 1 is 1, add your 2 zeros, 100, times 15 is 1,500 cubic centimeters, which is the same as 1,500 milliliters. So our answer is 1,500 milliliters. 1,500 milliliters. Now you're going to do B by yourself. Okay, so B, I'm going to do it in a different color if I can. There we go. Let's do B in blue. So B says, after a week, water evaporates out of the tank. So the water is 9 centimeters high. 9 centimeters high. What is the volume of the water in the tank now? So now, instead of 10 centimeters high, it is 9 centimeters high. So what I want you to do is I want you to solve what is the volume if it was 9 centimeters high. Go ahead and pause the video, solve it by yourself, and then when you're done, you can come back and check your answer. All right, so we have 9. Let's go back. We're going to do length, which is 15, times width, which is 10, times height, which is 9. 10 times 9 is 90, times 15. So we have 90 times 15. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 9 is 45. Placeholder 0. 1 times 0 is 0. And 1 times 9 is 9. Add these together. And our answer is the volume in milliliters now, after the water evaporated, is 1,350 milliliters. Milliliters. I hope this helps you with your exit ticket. If you want a little more challenge, go ahead and try the problem set as well.